Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Berry Avenue build. Mismatched versions break meshes. Once done, back up your avatar and character folders. This saves hours if something goes wrong. Next, install and open the mod manager listed for the game and enable mod support in settings so custom meshes load. You'll now extract the mesh package into the manager. Make sure file names match the game's naming convention. Do not skip the backup step. It makes the rest reversible. You import the mesh file into the manager, selecting the target character slot for the baby face. Once imported, assign the texture map and switch the material shader to the recommended skin preset so lighting looks natural. After that, adjust scale between 0, 98 and 1, 0, 2 to prevent clipping, and run auto bone mapping, then inspect joints and tweak weights manually where the chin or eyelids deform. Keep testing in the avatar preview. Incremental saves prevent redoing complex weight fixes. You export the configured mesh and load it in-game to test expressions, blinks, and idle animations. Focus on mouth and cheek deformation. If you see seam lines or flickering, rebake normal maps, inspect UV islands for overlaps, and verify texture compression settings. Should morph targets distort, reopen the rig and adjust blend shape influence. Save incremental versions. If major errors persist, restore your backup, note the steps you took, and retry with smaller changes so you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.